South Korea experienced heavy snowfall for a second day on Thursday, with over 40 centimeters, 16 inches, accumulating in parts of Seoul. The snowstorm, the third heaviest in Seoul since records began in 1907, caused widespread disruptions. More than 140 flights were cancelled, and ferry services were suspended, with about 142 flights grounded and 76 ferry routes halted. At least 5 deaths have been reported due to the snowstorm, including 4 from collapsed structures and 1 from a traffic accident. A 53-vehicle pileup injured 11 people in Gangwon province. The unusually heavy snow, linked to warm sea temperatures and cold air currents, also led to school closures, with 1,285 schools shut in Gyeonggi province. Though the situation showed signs of easing, conditions were still difficult, and train delays were reported. Neighboring North Korea also saw snowfall, with some areas receiving more than 10 centimeters of snow.